Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.04632, 24-hour volume, we're down 19%, and market cap, we are down 10%. So heading over to our daily chart, there's a lot to cover in the video itself. So taking a look so far for the day, we are going to zoom into the action of our candlestick. So going into today's candlestick, we can see this engulfing candlestick compared to the previous one. We've got high volumes of selling pressure. The uptrend itself, if there is going to be any uptrend, again, is not supported by the volume. And we do see a lot of our indicators going and showing us a downtrend momentum. So our MACD indicator here, again, what we do measure in the momentum is these histograms, most importantly, is pointing downwards. We do see the lighter color of the histogram showing us weakness of the momentum, and the bars itself is gradually getting smaller. Of course, the spaces in between the signal line and the MACD line itself is getting very minimal, with the MACD line pointing downwards. So it is suggesting that the price itself is going to come down. Now, when we take a look at an area of support here, we did have a few of our candlesticks retracing around the 4482. So far in today's candlestick, we've ultimately surpassed that line there. Okay, we've surpassed that line, and now we're looking for a good retracement level or a good area that we're going to find some support. Keep in mind the RSI on the right hand side is still decreasing. It triggered a sell opportunity right here on this candlestick, and then our KDG, we can see that our KDJ, we can see that the J line itself is angled downwards and in the red. So we are looking at a different multiple indicators. That's the point for the price, is to retrace down. Now, on the left-hand side, we're going to take a look at our supply and demand, which are these nodes off to the side here. This is supply and demand, where the price ultimately has the more volume at the dollar price. So we can see this cluster here from the 5093 all the way down to this node here at 4570. If the price itself on a daily time frame closes below this, again, keep in mind we're in the red, so the close would be at the bottom opposed to a green candle at the very top. Then the price can go into the next node here. So we're going to treat this node here as an area of resistance. So here is our next area of supply and demand. Where the price may ultimately go here is the 4105 to the 429. Now the price itself can come down and then retrace up and give us that nice pullback, that nice retracement. Keep in mind with this uptrend here, the price coming down to this level is still making a very not a steep, but very minor correction. It's not going to give this uptrend or destroy this uptrend itself. The only thing that will change the uptrend is our 20 moving average. So this yellow line here, if the price closes below our 20 MA, then ultimately it is going to change the pattern of this direction. Heading into the 4-hour time frame, we're going to change it over to 4 hours for our RSI and our KDJ indicator on the right-hand side here. We can see this area, we were going through a parallel channel that was angled downwards. We found that area of support here at the 4482. We broke out, and normally when we break out of a channel, either the price continues to go up and up and up, or the price comes down, retests the top resistance trend line, and then shoots back up again. But what we saw was a rejection of this uptrend, and ultimately price is coming back into this channel. We can see that. We can see that this engulfing candlestick from the price consolidation for price moving sideways, and then a huge selling followed by volumes of selling. We can match it up with the MACD indicator. We barely got that momentum of this volume. Normally with the uptrend, we want to see really good volume increases to support the uptrend for a long term, but we did see only 2 histograms change at the very top of this peak here, and then again followed by that huge selling with the MACD indicator. Now the RSI here for our K line is at 5%, still did not trigger or doesn't show us any hints here of a reversal. Even with the KDJ, if we open this up here, you know, it is still angled downwards with our J line itself. So the next couple of hours, we may see price continuing to drop here. We may go into, and again, look at this, the candlestick already in this 4-hour time frame came into the supply and demand. Let's take a look at the 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, again, same kind of thing, same area, increased the histogram, okay? And it increased it. So it looks like we are going to go into a second wave here. We do see the KDJ open up a little bit, but normally we would see a big expansion of the J line. And of course, the RSI triggered that selling opportunity leading into this candle here. Now, we could possibly say that this candle shows us an exhaustion of this this downtrend. However, we do need that volume for buyers to get into the market if we want to retest and hold this area of support at the 4491. If we don't see that, then be prepared for the price to come down back into this channel and retest this area of our supply. So that's my video update here for Gala. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below. If you found the video insightful, like and subscribe, but I'll see you next time.